this.
Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Brevard County in east central Florida until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Titusville to near Camp Holly Fish Camp, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Palm Bay, Melbourne, Titusville, Rockledge, and Cocoa. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest
Request
floor
of
of
the
the
National
building.
Weather Service. We have a severe danger report for Brevard County.
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are likely to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms, and may
The
lead to
National Weather
flash flooding.
Service has issued a severe thunderstorm
Drive your
warning
vehicle
for
through flooded
Brevard
roadways.
County until 5 p.m. At 4:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line
Special weather
extending
statement.
from Titusville
Strong
to
thunderstorms
Camp
will
Holly
impact portions of
Fish Camp,
Seminole,
moving
northeastern
east at 30 miles per
Wayne.
hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gust and impact. You can expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Palm Bay, Melbourne, Titusville, Rockledge, and Cocoa. Once again, the National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Brevard County until 5 p.m. What we're seeing is an extension of that earlier storm.
Gusty winds could knock down trillions of blow.
Wow, and this storm just went severe warned. Wow.